Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to translate your web page to your regional language on your Google Chrome browser in your Android device. So for these guys, you don't need to do any extra hard work or you don't need to download any extra third party application. So these settings will come on your Google Chrome browser by default. Just you want to use that settings. So I am opening one web page on Hindi language. So as you can see guys, this web page I have opened. So the whole web page was available in Hindi language, so I want to convert this into other language, means English language. So whenever you open the web page on other language, so you can get the option in the bottom of your screen, as you can see, Hindi, English. So if you want to get more languages, just tap on three dots. From here you can get the more options of languages. As you can see, from there you can easily select your own language. I am converting this web page into Hindi, sorry, English. Just I will select English language, that's it. So quickly the whole web page will convert into English language, as you can see. So guys, this is the very easy and very simple method to quickly translate your any web page to other language on your Google Chrome browser. So that's it for today guys. This is the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.